Hi, in this video we're going to show you a trick you could use to run multiple instances of the Registry Editor in Windows. So let's say you have to do some registry editing. You type in Regedit in the search box here, open the Registry Editor, say yes to the UAC prompt, and then you do what you need to do. Now let's say you wanted to keep this window open and open another instance and work on something else without losing where you're at here. So you type in Regedit again. Even though it looks like it's going to open another instance, it just goes back to this. So to get around this, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So once you install Windhawk, it uses mods to tweak the way Windows works and also for appearance mods. All right, so it's broken down into several screens here. You have your home screen, which shows your mods that are installed and some featured mods. And then you can go to Explore, browse some mods there, do some searches, sort them as well. All right, so the one we want to use is called Multi-Instance Regedit. So what you would do is do a search for that in the box here. And then once you find it, click on Details and Install. And then it'll show up in your Home section here. And then you could enable it here, or go to Details here and enable it, or remove it. And this one doesn't have any settings like many of the other ones do. All right, so we're going to enable it there. Now we'll type in Regedit again. Now you can see we have another window open here. Just go wherever we need to go from here. Do another one. Simple as that. And then if you change your mind, you could just come back here and disable it or remove it. And when it comes to Windhawk, the app needs to be running here in your system tray for your mods to work. So if they ever stop working, just come here and make sure it's running. And if not, then you could just restart it again, and it should also be set to start with Windows. All right, so once again, install Windhawk. So I'll put a link in the description for that. Do a search for multi-instance Regedit, install it, enable it, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.